Morning guys, so we're back on the job. We are going to be digging it out and get it dug out, get concrete in, and we'll get all foundations done. That's the idea of this video. But before we start, I'll show you this Indian stone bricks that we're going to be building out of. So these are Sir Marshall's, and these are the stones. Let's get one out. So they're can you see them in light? It's a bit of a bad light. So they've got like one bumpy face to them, and then other sides pretty smooth, but they're not all like this. Some of them are smooth on both sides, so you've pretty much gonna have to pick and choose. And they're not really square. They're about 60mm, pretty exact on the 60mm bit, but some are slightly bigger than others. So joints are probably going to slightly be out, but I'm sure they'll look great when they're on. And the only problem is they weigh an absolute ton. So we've got here, look, it tells you all about them here. So 220 by 100, and then they are 4.5 kilos each. So quite heavy, really. But yeah, and they're 60mm thick. So it's not going to be to gauge, so it is going to run out on block work as well. So we might just have to alter those ties now and again when we're putting ties in, just so it fits block work. But yeah, that's it. Right, let's go around there and crack on with this job. Right, so we're going to get these foundations dug out. We're going to go 600 deep, so we need a 600 bucket on the digger, which is over there, look. So we'll have to put that on. We'll probably start down this side. We'll get us lines back on because I've messed them all up getting this tree trunk out. Went down that hole. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Getting that big tree stump out. And then, yeah, so we'll dig this and then we'll have a go down that way, I don't know. See how it goes. Right, let's crack on. Right, so this building, we've been a summer house, it's not to the regs, but the customer wants it done to the regs. So you want your minimum to be 600 and 600 wide for a double wall and a cavity. So we've got a 600 bucket on, and we're going to go, well, I'm just going to test it now, see if it's 600 deep. So we're 600 deep, and we know we're good because we know we don't have to go any deeper, because if you see this is clay. You see colour difference, look, that's soil, that's clay, look. You see that? So that's how we know we're good. So we know we're good at this height. This definitely pass. If the inspector came out, this would pass. Right, let's carry on digging. Yeah, I don't know if you caught that on camera or what, but I'm pulling them pegs out at the bottom just out of the way so I could get digger back. One little pull, back popped out, I fell off it and it's popped back in, but it's killing me now. So I'm going to have to put up with this for a couple of days. I mean, has it swelled up? Well, this is nearly all the time now. I should have put it on an hour earlier though. That's the thing. So my back's gone now, so
yeah,
I'll
but
put up with this for a couple of days now.
You never know when your back's going to go though, do you?
Luckily it's popped back in when I fell back down. I fell on my back and it's popped it back in. But, jeez. Well, let's crack on. So I've pretty much got this side dug here. Just need to put these pegs back in. We've already got holes on floor. And then we'll string a line, we'll mark it out, and we can go that way. So we've just been filling that big hole in, look. Tim's just going to whack it down And then we should be able to work back, and hopefully the digger will go on that way out sinking once we've whacked it. That's the idea anyway. Right, let's crack on. Hey, where are you? Somewhere here. Do you know, Will? Should be an hole somewhere. There we are. String a line now over there. Let's get a line on.
You put that second pump back in now?
Yeah. And the problem is, was it this side at line or that side? Huh? Was it this side? Was it that side? It don't really matter, like, 'cause we're only digging it a minute.
This side here like that.
Yeah, well, it don't matter anyway. Yeah, that's it, innit? Both sides. Don't matter anyway, because I've got to go 150 by this line, because this is a building line. So I just want to be 150 that way. 150 by. There we go. Take that line off now. That's it, we've got it ready for foundations now. We're all dug out. Give it a whack to make it look a bit flatter while we had whacker. So we're ready now. So that's 6 metres by 5 metres. So it's a few days later and we are off back to the job to concrete it today. Managed to get concrete, it's Monday morning, and back's still a bit rough, so I've ordered a little dumper truck for me, and my mate can use the banner. Right, I'll see you on the job. So that's it, we've got 4 cube of concrete on here. This is round the front, and this is another job we're going to be doing later on. But I'll let you see that one later on. I haven't started recording it, but we'll probably record it once we start concreting it. But we're way off this one. So we're going to get this right round back. It's right round back at our house to about there. So, what are you doing on my dumper? What's your wheelbarrow? You're on the wheelbarrow. This is my wheelbarrow. Show you how far we've got to go. That's why we've got this in. And then what we'll probably do is we'll probably wet it up just to level it out, just put a bit of water in on top and give it a tamp later. Nice and steady, Tim, nice and steady. Try and keep this grass in one piece.
Don't look all that, mate.
So we've already got a couple of ton bags around with digger while we're waiting for this. Just some sand and some hardcore for middle. This is first tip for Tim, so we'll see how it goes. I'll jump off. Yeah, come on then. Yeah, just see what that's like. Nice and steady, yeah. It's coming. Back a little bit.
Back a bit, yeah.
Just a tiny bit. There you go. Yeah. Another pop to them. So we've got a bit left, probably half a cube, maybe a cube, 3/4 of a cube. So I'm just going to take this round, this load round, and my mate is round there raking, but it's hard, so I've got him wetting it up. So we'll go round and have a look. To move that rake, Tim. Bit weak, that hose pipe, innit? It's a shocker. Yeah, we're gonna have to level all this back. We can't get round back, that's the problem. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a bit of water on, then we're gonna fill all this up, get it all round, and then put a little bucket on the digger and try and scoop and pull it round. I think that's the best idea. Saves because it's a bit hard to rake at the minute. So we'll do that, I think. So that is it, guys. So it's not perfect level, but I have had enough today. So it's knocking on quite a bit now. So I'm gonna get home and we'll come back, start recording, and we'll start building this up, eh? Right, guys, that's it for me. See you in the next one.